Welcome to GetX. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to refer and earn from the GetX Referral program. To get started, just sign up on GetX as you normally would. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can see the estimated USD balance this account holds, along with its INR equivalent value. Now remember, referral commissions on GetX are paid out in GetX's native coins. Let's check if this account currently holds any GetX coins. As you can see here, the GetX balance in this wallet is currently 0. Now, let's move on to the referral section. GetX offers two easy ways to refer someone: by sharing your referral code or by using your referral link. You can copy whichever you prefer. For this, we'll use the referral link to refer someone. When a new user clicks your referral link, GetX automatically inserts your referral ID in the account creation form, just like this. Now the new user proceeds to register their account like usual. Once that's done, they're redirected to their dashboard. As expected, their balance is 0 initially. To start trading, they'll need to deposit some crypto into their GetX wallet. Make sure to follow the deposit instructions carefully. Once the deposit is made, don't forget to click the Claim Deposit box to confirm and credit the funds. Now, let's go back to the account that shared the referral link. Head over to the referral section. Here, you'll see the list of friends you've referred, including the date and time they joined. At this point, the commission history is empty, and the GetX coin balance is still 0. That's because the new user hasn't started trading yet. So now, let's place a trade from the newly created account. We're placing a BNB/USDT sell order for this trade. Once the trade is submitted, you can check the trading fee and other details under the Trade History section. Now, switching back to the referrer's account. Go to the referral section again. You'll now see that your commission has been received. Here you can see the wallet also reflects this updated GetX coin balance, which is exactly the amount shown in the referral commission record. This is how you earn through the GetX referral program. For every trade your referred user makes, you receive 15% of the trading fee paid out as GetX coins. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.